wanted to take a second here to talk to you about positioning yourself for long-term success with our lifetime's best performing assets. So you've heard of Bitcoin already, but have you heard of these up and coming projects that are projected to grow by thousands of percentile? So it's not just Bitcoin and Ethereum, Litecoin, but there's many assets out there. There's thousands, approaching tens of thousands of coins out there. So how do you know which one to get into, which one to get out of to see the maximum profitability? And the other question is, how do you do so while still living a lifestyle worth living? So I'm not here to convince you of anything. Let our testimonies tell the tale.
I joined some months ago, would have been earlier in the year. I can't remember what month it was, but I have traded markets before previously. I did pay for a monthly subscription first off. I sussed it right out, which I do with everything that I do. I found it amazing, the algorithms that Marius uses and the system that the guys use blew my theories apart, blew my technicals apart. I paid the lifetime membership. I made that money back within 2 weeks. I haven't stopped listening to these recordings at all. Technicals, the algorithms, just just blow my things apart. So I'm happy to be on board, and I think it's just fantastic.
But I can promise you, I've been in cryptos for about almost 3 years, and I would have been the person that bought on the spikes. I would have, with watching Bitcoin over the last 24 hours, would have probably put a stop in that. Without the knowledge of what I know is coming, I wouldn't have been able to maximize the spikes that are coming. And you have taught us so much, and I've learned so much of how to sell high and buy low. It gives me so much hope that the strategies that you have presented are strategies that will work, have worked, and will continue to work. And with what some of the projections are for some of the coins in the near future, it's an absolute gold mine. And I really appreciate you have to take all the time and all the analysis and to patiently teach us, because I'm a little bit of a, I like urgency, but you have taught me patience, and I've studied very diligently, and I'm at peace with the whole process, where at this point I would probably be a little bit nervous and not knowing what to do next.
Okay, I'll tell you very quickly. I have been working with Bitcoin for about 3 years, and as you can see, I'm a senior citizen. I really didn't know what I was doing. With your help, I have learned so much, and one little thing that I did was on my computer screen here, when you told us we should look for the $53 marker for Litecoin, I put this on my computer, and when it hit 53, I was over the moon, crying, jumping around, and now I took that one down. Now in green, I have 107, and so every time I look at my computer, I see that number, and I know it's going to happen. I'm so excited. Thank you.